Good evening, everyone, and thank my friend Professor Maitri, Professor Pawanji, Anupji, and my heartiest congratulations to Amit Agnihotri for organizing such a mega event, annual event, and great that he could do it on a blended mode this year. And my heartiest congratulations to the entire MDI community for completing 50 years in coming June. I think it is a great year for MDI. I'm sure it will grow much bigger in coming time. I really feel proud here because I was in MDI for almost 18 to 19 years, and my experience at MDI was very unique. And coming back to the very basic theme of this panel discussion, that how come MDI has been the center of incubating leaders, academic leaders particularly. I could say that when I joined in 97, I could see the vibrations that prior to that there was an executive MBA which is called NMP here and which is now being done. In fact, ISB started much later. The NMP was, executive MBA was the first leadership program MDI launched. Then subsequently, of course, MBA program was very standard. It was joined, it started here. Then MDI also initiated energy management program, public policy program, executive fellow program, advanced management program. These are all leadership. First time in India any institute has started. So MDI has always been taking leadership in creating new programs, innovative programs, and that has given exposure to those faculty members who were working here at that time, that how to create new ideas and new programs. And leadership is all about that, because if you are just exposed to coming and doing the routine work which is just standard, like just doing MBA program which is everywhere, you do not build the leadership quality. You build leadership quality only when you initiate and you're part of initiations of various initiatives which are innovative and unique in the country. So that is number one. Second is being located in, corporate capital today, NCR. You have an opportunity to interact and network with large number of organizations, public sector, private sector, government, and that helps you to build your networking capabilities. That is also very unique things which you cannot get everywhere. And that is another strength of MDI, that you can work. So when I was here, apart from my regular academic work, I used to interact with large number of corporates, like Professor Maitri mentioned, in terms of consultations, in terms of many other research programs. So that helps you to build your confidence as a leader that yes, you can manage the new initiatives, and when you have those kind of mindset that you can work and create new ideas and new programs and also work with large number of corporates, that provides you enough leadership strength. What is more important is that just becoming director is not important, but once you are given a responsibility as a director, how do you conduct yourself? And that strength is not very easy, because that is not very common. Because we have seen that, of course, one can become director or leader, but can you discharge the basic responsibility as a director? How can you bring inclusive mindset and inclusive growth along with innovation? That two characteristics are very important, and I think I learned these two things from MDI, that how to work with diverse group, like students, faculty, staff, industry, and also academicians outside and international players. MDI had a very large number of international collaborations from the last many years, and that again gives strength that yes, you can collaborate and create enough networking strength which will create vibration in the academic fraternity. So how do you conduct? That is more important. And how do you create unique brand? That is very important. Right now, I was given a responsibility to set up a new institute at IIM Sambalpur, which was a challenging task. But when you have enough strength and determinations, and you have a mindset to create unique propositions, it is not that location which matters, it is the idea, how do you create ideas and how do you execute ideas that matters. And today in the startup world, I think many such initiatives are required, and therefore leadership should be, more inclusive, more innovative, and so that you are able to create a vibrations and able to create unique propositions, and also take along everyone. So that strength, I think, MDI had provided, and therefore many directors many professors who became director in various institutions are able to showcase and able to create that visions and able to create that mark. And that is where the brand of MDI is getting further strengthened, because today, in fact, few years back, we were discussing at IIM Bangalore, all the directors of IIM, and one of the director asked, which gang in the IIMs are bigger, MDI or IIM Ahmedabad? And answer was no, MDI gang that time was bigger than IIM Ahmedabad in terms of the leaders and the number of directors. So that is the kind of debate and discussions we have seen. And I'm sure MDI will create some more unique propositions in coming time. It has a very strong strength in its own faculty members, because faculty members and staff, they work together, and students also, are also participating in a big way, because you have students like even part-time MBA, you have executive MBA, you have NMP, you have so many programs here, and large number of executive development programs and research centers, and also now incubation center. I think these are the diverse activities. I'm sure, again, it will produce more leaders to manage not only B School, but also many startups, I think, should grow. And in fact, Amit himself is a product of MDI, and we are proud that he created such a large MBA universe. And many such entrepreneurs have come out from MDI. That is also leadership. I'm sure this place is a great place for the leaders, and not only for leaders, but also for innovation-based startup. And I may be able to answer some more questions, Professor Maitri, as and when it requires in the debate.